Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry, Your Excellency. I'm so terrible. Sorry.
Never mind. It's alright.
Alright, it is certainly. It's not alright. It's unpardonable. It was monstrous for me.
You make too much of the matter. Let it rest.
How can I let it rest? It was unexcusable. Permit me to wipe your neck. General, it's the least I can do.
Let it be. It's alright, I say.
But I spared you, sir. Your complete head is spared. It was an accident, I assure you, but it is disgusting.
Tres. I'm sorry. My apologize.
The thing is, Your Excellency, it came completely without warning. It was out of my nose before I could shuffle it. Certainly, I'm sorry. It's not a cold, if that's what you were worrying about, sir. Probably a particle of dust in the nostril.
But try as he might, Sheldrake could not put the incident out of his mind. The sneezing no more than innocent. An anatomical accident, veered out of all proportion in his mind, until it resembled the angry roar of a cannon aimed squarely at the enemy camp. He played the incident back in his mind, slowing the procedure down so he could build again in order the infamous death.
Charming, charming.
Yes, charming.
Charming. Simple charming. Wasn't charming, my dear?
I found it utterly charming.
I was completely charmed by it.
Excuse me, Excellency.
Who's tapping? Somebody? Somebody's tapping at me. Who's tapping? Oh.
I am tapping, sir. I am the tapper, Cherdayako.
Stand back, dear. It is a sneezer.
Well, in conclusion, we realized that the sneeze is a hilarious play, that it is really easy to understand, and we fully recommend you. We hope that you enjoy our sketch. Thanks for watching us, guys.
Por ejemplo, mira, ¿y esa parte? Mira. Mira.
Oh my goodness, sí. I'm so terrible, sorry.
Y luego lo pasas. Y yo veo algo así.
Achoo!